Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. In today's video, CamDuck has sent me their latest hidden camera. So we're going to unbox this and set it up in program. Okay, so this was sent to me by CamDuck. They have tons of hidden cameras. So let's see what's inside here. So here is the user manual. Put this aside for now. Looks like there's some stuff underneath here. Hey, USB cable, USB-C, flash drive with micro SD slot, mounting screws, and this is a removing tool. Move this all aside. Let's check out what kind of camera this is. Okay, so it looks like it's a smoke detector. There's a button here. We'll find out what this does. I'm almost thinking it's an on and off. Mounting plate. So it looks like this could be hardwired. Non-replacement battery, so there is the battery right there. That's probably what that's for. And I believe there's something back here, and that's probably what this tool's for. Yep. So there's your C, USB-C, and there's your micro SD slot. So you could rotate it once you have it mounted to get the best view. I believe these are IRs hidden behind here. That looks like a microphone button. Okay, so let's set this up and let's check out the daytime shot and the nighttime shot. Okay, so we're over here at the App Store, and the app that we need to download is called CamDuck. Then let's hit Get. Okay, it's installed. Now we hit Open, Allow, Agree, Start. I'm going to do Allow while using this app. So hit Allow. Yes. Okay, so now we get this page. Okay, make sure you removed that little tag that's attached to the battery. Once you've done that, make sure you do a fully charge on it. And now we could add it to the app. So let's hit the little plus. So now we're going to press and hold the power button on the top for 3 seconds. You'll see the light turn on. Okay, we're going to do remote monitoring settings, top option. We're going to pick our device. We have the smoke detector, so we're going to tap on there. Here, we're going to enter the Wi-Fi password. Then press OK. OK again. So let's do the little check mark. Okay, mine is flashing blue. Then it turns off. So I'm doing the first option. Over here, let's do the check mark. Over here, we have to go to our Wi-Fi settings on our phone. You're going to look for the Wi-Fi of the camera, and it's right here, as you guys can see. So we're going to click on it. Okay, so the Wi-Fi password is all lowercase. You're going to type CamDog CamDog66. That's the default password. So now we're going to hit join. Now let's go back to the app. and you're automatically going to get this. So let's finish this. And there you guys have it. So let's try this out. And if I hit OK, there's just a little disclaimer. To zoom in and out, pinch the screen. So this is a 4 megapixel camera. This picture's pretty good. So over here, album, if you save it, it will show up here. You can also take images. Here's the SD. And under settings, over here you can change the name. SD card settings. And here it is here. So we got to format this. So let's do format SD card. Okay. It says it takes about 3 minutes, but usually this is pretty quick, depending on the size of your SD card. There you go. So once it's finished doing the format, it automatically kicks you right out and goes back to the main settings page. Okay, so it looks like we're all set up here now. Let's check out the quality of, at least right now, the daytime shot. And I'll let this run and I'll get you an image of the night mode. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. So as you guys can see, the camera is right there. Not there. That's the mic. Okay, so that was your daytime shot and your night shot. The night shot is not the greatest, but if you guys are interested in this camera, I will have a link in the description where to get it. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.